Welcome back everybody, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this cool trippy match cut effect in After Effects. So for today I'm going to be working with two clips. With this one I'm just going to have her holding a gun, and then it's simply going to cut to the same clip but at a different time, so about 2 to 3 seconds ahead. I'm going to right click, head over to new, and then add a new adjustment layer. The first effect I'm going to add is S_distort, and I'm going to open up our timeline. And then I'm gonna head over to about the first half of our clip, about the first half of our first clip, put our amount on 0, open up our keyframes, and then we're gonna head over to right in the start of our our second clip, and I'm gonna add on our amount 2. Then I'm gonna head back around to the first half or around the end towards our second clip and put it back down to 0. And then I'm going to highlight all our keyframes, F9, ease them. Next I'm going to add S_ultra glow. I'm going to put the threshold on the first keyframe right here. I'm going to put it at 3.07. Open up our timeline, head over to the same keyframes. We're going to be using the same keyframes throughout the whole video. And head over here, and we're gonna add 0.3300. Then I'm gonna head over to the end of our clip, and we're gonna add 1.2800. And for the next effect I'm gonna add is colorama. Gonna head over to modify, put it on RB, output cycle to hue cycle alpha ramp. Then I'm gonna head over to our blend with original. I'm gonna put it at 100 at the beginning. Open up our timeline once again, head over right here, put it at 0, and then put it back up to 100. Once after that, I'm going to save it. I'm going to add optics compensation, head over to the beginning, click on reverse lens distort, and then at the beginning I'm going to open up our timeline, start a new keyframe, have it at 0. Then once we have our match cut right here to our second clip, I'm gonna put 115.8. It's gonna give this cool zooming in morph effect. Then I'm gonna have it go back down to 0 once it starts to the end. For the next effect I'm gonna add is exposure. I'm gonna head over to the beginning, click on the time watch, and open up a keyframe. Open up a timeline. Just have it start at 0, head over to the middle right here, put it up to 3, then once again bring it down, put it down to 0. And then for our last and final effect I'm gonna add is radial blur. Put it right here. I'm gonna put on zoom, then high. Gonna go down here, click on our amount on our time watch to start a new keyframe, or open up our timeline, head over here, and I'm just gonna mess with the blur, so maybe around 20 would be good. Then head over here, I'm gonna bring down my resolution a bit so our project won't really lag. So yeah, that is how you create this cool trippy match cut effect. Before you guys hop off this video, I recommend subscribing, leaving a like, or just commenting.